Welcome to the Explainer. So, we all talk to AI assistants like we're just chatting with a person, right? It feels natural. But what if I told you that the more you chat, the worse the AI actually gets at its job? Today, we're going to dig into a totally different way of thinking about AI interaction that gets you way better, faster, and cheaper results. Let's just kick things off with this little bombshell from real-world users. It turns out that those long back-and-forth conversations, they don't just feel slow. They can actually slash the AI's accuracy. A 40% drop. That's huge.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll look at the hidden costs of all that chit-chat, introduce a much more powerful delegation mindset. I'll show you exactly how to put it into practice, and we'll see why it is such a game changer. Okay, let's dive in.
First things first, let's break down the two big problems with that back-and-forth, ping-pong style of prompting that, let's be honest, we all do. Okay. So the first problem is all about the money, and it's this sneaky thing called context window creep. Here's the deal. Every single time you send a message, you're not just paying for those new words. You are paying for the AI to go back and reread the entire conversation from the very beginning. It's a cost that just quietly stacks up with every single reply. And this graph, man, it just shows you the damage in real time. See all those spikes? That's the ping-pong style. Each little message is a whole new, expensive thinking cycle for the AI. So your costs just spike again and again. Now look at that nice flat line. That's one single big prompt. It's just one efficient operation. But you know, it's not just about the cash. It's also about the quality of the answer you're getting. Research is suggesting that an AI kind of has a limited amount of, let's call it, thinking space. If you push it too hard with too many little steps, its performance actually starts to get worse. And this study illustrates it perfectly. Look at this graph. Whether you're trying to make the AI's reasoning wider or deeper, you see the same thing. Performance hits a peak, and then it just dramatically falls off a cliff. So the lesson here is pretty clear. More thinking is definitely not always better. So if the old conversational way is broken, what's the solution? Well, it all starts with a completely new way of thinking about our relationship with AI, a fundamental shift. And this quote from the Claude API docs just nails it. You have to stop micromanaging. Instead of a chatty assistant you have to guide through every little step, think of the AI as a super talented but very literal engineer. You give them the complete task, all the info they need up front, and then you let them get to work.
I mean, the difference is night and day. The old way is fragmented and assumes the AI needs you to hold its hand. The new delegation mindset, well, it trusts the AI to be autonomous. And as we're about to see, that trust pays off with much, much better results.
All right. So this whole delegation mindset sounds great, but how do we actually do it? Let's get into a practical technique you can start using like right now. This new playbook is called the single-turn mega prompt. It's got 3 simple rules. First, front-load everything. The goal, the rules, what a good final answer looks like, all of it in the first message. Second, batch your questions. Don't drip feed them. And third, you have to be super explicit. If a rule applies everywhere, you have to say so. These models are very literal. And now for the best part, the payoff. Switching to this method doesn't just feel more efficient. We have the data to prove it delivers some pretty dramatic improvements. Okay, check out this study. The regular chatty approach got 56% accuracy, but the structured delegation-style prompts, 62%. Not only that, look at the resources. It cut the input tokens by 2/3 and the cost by nearly 70%. That is wild. The results are just so stark. We are talking about a 67% reduction in both tokens and cost, while at the same time increasing accuracy by almost 11%. You get a better answer for a fraction of the price. It's a no-brainer. And that massive reduction in tokens, that's the real key to the savings. It's a direct result of completely getting rid of that wasteful ping-pong interaction we were talking about earlier.
Look, this isn't just some clever little trick. This is about getting in sync with where the technology itself is actually headed.
I mean, just look at how models like Anthropic's Claude have been evolving. Comparing the recent versions, you see this crystal clear trend. The AI is becoming more autonomous, more direct, and more literal. It's actually being designed to reward users who give it clear, comprehensive instructions right from the start. So, the takeaway here is really simple. Stop chatting and start delegating. Use a single, comprehensive mega prompt to get cheaper, faster, and just plain more accurate results from your AI. It's that easy.
And at the end of the day, this shift from conversation to delegation, it's not just a preference anymore. It's really becoming essential for anyone who's serious about getting the absolute most out of this next generation of AI.